everyone, I can make a happy face.
Angry face. Oh my goodness.
I'm okay.
And surprise face.
Ah!
Good job. What are you doing here? Are you ready to drink something?
Yes.
So what is it?
Your dog.
No toy. What is it in English?
Garlic oil.
Very good. And what is it here?
Candy cough.
Candy cough. So, do you drink them every day?
Yes.
Right. Why do you have to drink them every day?
Because it's make me powerful
Powerful. What else?
and strong.
And you don't want
Powerful.
to. Yeah, powerful. But and you don't want to get.
Fever.
What else?
Running nose. Cough. Sneeze.
Wow. So are they easy to drink?
Yes.
Are they yummy?
Yes.
So I think they are spicy or salty.
Maybe you can help me.
Alright.
Use the water.
How many drops?
10.
10.
I'll count.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright.
But I count to 11 because it's too faster.
Alright. Now, can you reset?
Now I will mix it. So funny.
Yes.
Now I can make it?
Yes.
Here.
Now that I know the rhyme, let's sing along.
Alright. How about this one? Cough candy.
Yes, because we need to drink because it's so sticky. It's stuck in the spoon.
And we need some.
Water.
Yeah. Wait me a little bit, right?
Okay. Mommy will be back with me soon.
What are you doing?
Everyone, now my mommy is back. Oh, it's so sticky.
Yeah.
11. Ciao!
Alright.
Now we mix it.
Yeah.
Now I will mix it. Oh, it's stuck in the spoon too. It's so funny. I tried to make it. It is so funny. Look, Mommy, it's so funny.
Yeah.
It's so sticky.
Did you love it? Did you love it?
Yes. Whoa.
Okay. When you finish, you can drink, alright?
Yes, and I will tell you.
Alright. Now it's time to say
Goodbye. I'll collect to there.